All right, returns. Okay. 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 A little bit of clutch. A little bit of throttle. That's me practicing this U-turn. Let go of the clutch a little bit. Bring it back in. Alright. Bring it back in. A little bit of throttle. This better be good, bro. There's no way this thing record. Unless it just wasn't meant to be. Yeah. Alright. There's no way this thing record properly. Ah, damn. Cause I be want to make some U-turns on my block and I be like, damn, I can't do it. All right, let's try it. Let's check it out. Here we go.